How do I know you? Dementia at end of life. How are you as an agency going to use this booklet? Hospice is taking on more and more patients with dementia, and dementia doesn't play by the rules for end of life and how it comes about. So, in educating your families, you need to pay a special attention to how to educate them in the signs of approaching death and what to do about it. And so I wrote this booklet because it addresses dementia. Again, sit down with the family and read it together, whether it's the nurse or the social worker, but sit down so that you can, at the same time that you're reading it together, you can talk about, well, this is where dad is. Have you noticed whether dad is doing this? And what are your plans as dad progresses? It's a great way to get the family talking. Put it in your in your care plan, in your hospice team care plan, that you're going to sit down and read it with the family. And then when you've done that, document the family's reaction and the questions that the family had so that you can then build your care plan further based on that knowledge.